In 1952, Moseley and Eckert developed the UNIVAC first, the Universal Automatic Computer. The UNIVAC was the first commercial electronic computer. It would work with both numerical and textual data.
Let us now learn how the modern computer developed from generation to generation. The computers that were developed during the period of 1941 to 1956 are called the first generation computers. One of the earliest and largest computer is the Colossus. It was used by the British codebreaker during the World War II to decode enemy messages. The first generation computers were very large and expensive as they used. The first generation computers were also consumed a very large amount of electricity.
The ENIAC and UNIVAC are two examples of the first generation computer. During the first generation of computers, machine language was used.
Let's now talk about the second generation of computers. The second generation computers are the computers that were developed during the period from 1956 and 1963. The advantages of second generation computers. It consumed less power and faster programming. The second generation computers are mainly used in atomic energy industry, IBM 7000 to IBM 650 and Atlas. The second generation computers use both machine language and assembly language.
Let's now talk about the third generation computer. The period from 1964 to 1971 is the period of the third generation computer. Integrated circuit and smaller transistor were developed and they were placed on silicon chip called semiconductor. This feature helped to increase the speed of the computer, and a common man can now use computer UNIVAC 1107, IBM 1130 are example of third generation computer.
Created using Powtoon.